So guys, for the first step, you want to download the Windows ISO file installation media. For this video, I'm going to go over the example of, let's say that you're on Windows 7 and you want to upgrade to Windows 10. This should also work with any Windows ISO file, so you can do like Windows 10 to Windows 11, any of that stuff. So you want to download the ISO file. The Windows 10 one will be down below in the description. Scroll down and then click on download now. It's now going to start downloading. I now have it on my desktop. Next, you want to install 7-zip. This will also be down below in the description. Click on download and then click on it. You want to install it. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it again, but just install it. After you install it, you want to find the media creation tool. You want to right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on 7-zip and then click on extract to media creation tool. A new folder should now appear right here. Double click on it. And you can now run the setup from this folder right here, and it should be working for you. So instead of running this right here, instead you want to open up the folder and you want to run the setup in this folder instead, and it should be working for you.